Hey there, money magicians. Are you ready to turn your debt into a colorful masterpiece? Let's dive into creating a visual debt tracker that'll make you feel like a financial Picasso. First off, why do we need a visual tracker? Well, seeing your progress can be a game changer. It's like having a scoreboard for your finances. You get to see how far you've come, and it keeps you motivated. Plus, who doesn't love a little color in their life? It's like adult coloring books, but with a purpose. Now let's talk about the different types of visual trackers you can create. You can go for a classic chart, a thermometer-style tracker, or even a fun coloring sheet. The choice is yours. Just remember, the more creative you get, the more fun it'll be. You could even add stickers, because who doesn't love stickers? Alright, let's get into the nitty-gritty of creating your tracker. Grab some paper, markers, and maybe a little glitter if you're feeling fancy. Start by writing down your total debt amount, then divide it into manageable chunks. For example, if you have $5,000 in debt, you could break it down into $500 increments. Now, let's make it visually appealing. Create your chart. Draw a big bar or a thermometer. Each section represents a chunk of your debt. As you pay off each part, color it in. Watching that bar fill up is like watching your favorite show. So satisfying. Coloring sheet option. If you prefer a more artistic approach, design a coloring sheet with fun images. Each time you make a payment, color in a section. Maybe it's a cute piggy bank or a mountain you're climbing, whatever inspires you. Digital options. If you're tech-savvy, consider using apps or spreadsheets. There are plenty of free templates online that can help you track your debt visually. Just remember to keep it fun and engaging. Now that you have your tracker, how do you stay motivated? Set mini goals. Celebrate each time you color in a section. Maybe treat yourself to a small reward, like a fancy coffee or a night out with friends. Just keep it budget-friendly, of course. Remember, every little step counts. Don't forget to share your progress with friends or on social media. Use the hashtag #PennySmartReminders and show us your amazing trackers. Let's cheer each other on. You're not alone in this journey, and together we can conquer that debt mountain. So there you have it. Creating a visual debt tracker is not just a smart move, it's a fun one too. Remember, the goal is to make your financial journey enjoyable. If you found this video helpful, give a thumbs up, subscribe for more tips, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Let's keep moving forward together, one colorful step at a time. Thanks for watching. If you're ready to take control of your finances, start creating your visual debt tracker today. And don't forget to share your progress with us using #PennySmartReminders. Until next time, keep it smart and keep it fun.